where container welding integrity safeguards global trade. Manual operations face critical pain points. 2,300 daily bends with 14 kilograms torches. 3.2% weld defects causing leakage claims. 15 monthly injuries from molten weld spatter. Siasen Duco Cobots transform production with precision welding innovation. 30 kilograms payload handles heavy tools at 0.02 millimeter repeatability. Real-time laser compensation ensures 100% water tightness compliance. ISO 1496. Active spatter containment achieves zero safety incidents. Redefining agility through radical deployment efficiency. No-code hand-guided teaching cuts line commissioning to 15 minutes. Digital twins slash changeover time by 80/30 cost or container reduction with CAPEX ROI under 6 months. From seaport gantries to inland logistics hubs, Siasen Duco delivers micron-perfect welds, forging unbreakable links in the global supply chain.